There are certain details that instantly distinguish a basic stitch from a true masterpiece. Today, I will show you the mitered corner with pintuck technique, one of the most elegant signatures in the sewing world in its purest and most professional form. This is more than just a joining method. It is the art of giving three-dimensional depth to a flat fabric, a form of architectural craftsmanship that elevates everything you sew. Even if you are just starting your sewing journey, you can achieve professional results at high-end tailoring standards with the right discipline. Because if this technique is 50% machine work, the other 50% is definitely the art of pressing. My biggest secret is the delicate bond I create with the fabric before it even touches the needle. Watch closely as I tame the material with heat and steam, because perfection is hidden in those sharp, millimeter-precise folds. In this video, I will guide you through the construction of a 45-degree mitered corner with absolute precision. The most critical part is how to seamlessly integrate the main body of the fabric into these corners. I will show you, step by step, how to enclose all raw edges within the frame, ensuring a finish that is as flawless on the inside as it is on the outside. This high-level technique will become your signature wherever your imagination takes you. Whether it's an elegant table runner or tablecloth, a luxury duvet cover set, or even the most delicate baby blankets, you can use this method with confidence to add that special couture effect. Every piece that comes from your fingertips will now carry your professional signature. If you enjoyed this professional sewing journey with me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell to join my family. Happy sewing, and thanks for watching.